It's hard to find a fifth wheel toy hauler with at least a 14-foot garage, bath and a half, and a big living space with a good sized kitchen. But you know what? I might have a solution for all that right here. Welcome to HBRV Lifestyle. They call me the Honey Badger because I give it to you straight in the RV business. And that Wolfpack toy hauler is freaking amazing. Let's go check it out. We're gonna do this a cappella style again because you guys seem to like it. This is the Wolfpack 365PACK16. Now this particular one has a 5,500 watt generator, 2 air conditioners. It is pre-wired for a leveling system. And also, by the way, has the Arctic package on it and solar. So there's up and downs about Wolfpack. First down is they only provide you 2 5-gallon tanks. Now you do have space in here. I would remeasure, but I think you have space to put 7.5s if you'd like. Now the pass-through storage is not as wide or tall as most other brands or even other Wolfpack floor plans, but where they make up for it is this door. Follow me. This door right here actually flips down and you can store stuff through that pass-through. Now I'm gonna shove the camera in there. Be careful, it's gonna get a little shaky. Wham, there you go. Now since we're going kind of a cappella on this, guys, make sure you watch the entire video or you're gonna miss something. There's not gonna be a bunch of jump cuts and stuff of that nature like my other videos. Black tank flush, outside shower. It's got a nice size slide out. 50 amp service, and it does have a fuel station. There you go right there. Sorry about a little bumpiness. I'm stepping on rocks. Now, what I do like about both Wolfpack and Rogue Armored, which are built in the same factory, by the way, is they come standard with a backup camera. Not pre-wired like a lot of other brands. It's also got a nice tall door, which also, by the way, watch this, folks. It has the patio kit. I'll tell you about that in a little bit. You got 2 big power awnings, outside speaker, and something unique to toy haulers is not a lot of them have the outside kitchen. Very few. A couple of Momentum floor plans, couple Rogue Armoreds. Not a lot of brands do the outside kitchen. And now we're gonna go inside. Like I said, this has the Arctic package to it, so a sealed underbelly. And what they do is they put a little extra layer of insulation as well as a ducting system through the underbelly, so that way when you run your furnace, your tanks don't freeze. Now, what I really love about this right now, we'll get over the theater seating. No, you don't get my jacket. Obviously, those are 3 recliners, good amount of windows. But here are the 2 things I'm really excited about on this side of the coach. Number 1 is gonna be the pantry. An actual separation, and you have a tall enough area to put big pots. I'm a big fan of pozole, guys. You can't cook pozole or tortilla soup unless you have a big pot, and they can fit right there, accessible without having to get a step ladder, and they give you drawers. Love it. Just real quickly, we'll just look at the space on the drawers. Pardon me, I got a lot of sniffles today, guys, so you're gonna have to bear with me on it. My other exciting thing, which I wish you could see me dance around on it, is the propane electric refrigerator. Guys, this was not standard. During COVID, they put residential refrigerators in here. If you are a dry camper or you're a first timer and you're looking to get something like this, if you could get one with the propane electric refrigerator, that is a bonus. It's not as deep as a residential, okay? But I'm gonna tell you guys, I have a Cougar fifth wheel that my wife and kids live in Oregon, and they have the same fridge, and they don't have any problems with it. The only problem is it's not as deep, and of course, because of the cooling unit, you don't get as much space. But it's just old reliable, man. That's what I say, just old reliable. Okay. This is a great kitchen. I love the way they put the counter space together. Great prep space. And then they give you the 1-piece sink. Shabang, wabang, wabow. I don't like the fact they don't give you a lot of drawers. But again, the drawers inside the pantry kind of make up for it. Of course, because it's an entry-level fifth wheel, smaller oven, but you still get your 3-burner stove. Now, if you're wondering what that is back there, that's like a little, oh God, help me out here, folks. Cutting board that they provided you. And then you got decent cabinet space. Again, not very big, good enough for like some soup cans, things of that nature on this side. This side's gonna be more like your bowls, your plates, things of that nature. And then of course, folks, the adult beverage cabinet. Yeah. That's my personal favorite. No, I'm not an alcoholic. Okay. Nice little breakfast nook dining area. I'm going to show you where the other dining table area is anyway. You got your fireplace. That actually, if you don't know, also outputs heat electrically. And then you have, of course, all your stationary area. And then you have your radio. And look at this. The heated holding tanks button. Part of the Arctic package to keep your tanks warm. Woohoo! Sorry. All right, before we get to the garage, let's go to the bedroom. Now, this is disappointing, the mattress. I know guys don't really like me saying this at the factory, but you know, the brand name of these mattresses they put on here is called Sorta. Sort of a mattress. If you like that joke, let me know in the comments section. By the way, if you want pricing on one of these, you need to put in the comments section or email me privately through my email in the description box below your city and state, and I can direct you towards a price for one of these. If you want to know what the price of this used one I am filming is, it is $64,000, and I'm in Nevada at the RV Exchange. Okay. By the way, it's an hour outside of Las Vegas. You're saying it's got decent clothing space. For being a toy hauler, this isn't bad. I've seen a lot worse. There's a lot of areas for hangables. I mean, we don't all hang jeans. But here's a downside, guys. Let me throw this at you. This is where I get a little frustrated. The position where the slide out button for the bedroom is. This button brings this slide out in. Wow, somebody really flew by here. You have to reach around. So if I'm here, watch out, a little shakiness. I have to reach in here to put the slide out. I mean, talk about interesting design. But I do like the Jack and Jill entrances to the bathroom. Hi, everybody. Yes, I have a beard. Hi, everybody. Yes, I have a beard. And then you have your sink, shower. Toilet is in a great position. I know I talk about that a lot. It's probably nasty, but it's got great chicken wing space. You don't feel like you're claustrophobic. I'm sorry, the bathroom's the third most place you're going to be inside a unit. You want to make sure you at least feel comfortable in the bathroom. Lastly, oh, by the way, there's a loft up there for sleeping. And then coming back over here, this is your main dining area, your booth dinette. It does come with a table. And then you got your queen size bunk. So between the loft, this, and the bed, you can sleep up to 8 people. It has the patio kit already. So that's awesome. And everybody's personal favorite, the half bathroom. Now this garage is 15 feet 9 inches with the patio kit. Without the patio kit, it's 16 total feet, and it's washer dryer prep. Now, a lot of guys ask me, what happens if my toy needs to come up to the toilet? The toilet is removable. I've seen guys remove the toilet without a problem. It's also got a sink, washer dryer prep already mentioned, and then of course, glass door. So great stuff. If you have any questions, once again, all my contact information is in the description box below. If you don't know, I answer everything personally. And I'm really excited about getting this on trade. I think it'll sell pretty quick because everybody's looking for something that's affordable. So payments under $500.